Good morning everyone. My name is Simaprit Kaur. I study 7th standard. Today I am going to read physical and chemical changes. Every day you come across many changes in our surrounding. These changes may involve one or more substances. For example, your mother may ask to dissolve sugar in water to make a cold drink. Making a sugar solution is a change. Similarly, setting curd from milk is a change. Sometimes milk becomes sour. Souring of milk is a change. Skirting rubber band also separate a change. Make a list of 10 you have noticed around you. In this chapter, we shall perform some activities and studies the nature of these changes. Broadly, these changes are two kinds: physical and chemical. Physical changes. Activity 6.1. Cut a piece of paper in 4 square and 4 square pieces. Cut each square piece further into 4 square pieces. Lay these pieces on the floor or a table so that the pieces acquire the shape of the original piece of paper. Observably, you cannot join the pieces back to make the original piece, but is there a change in the property of the paper? Activity 6.2. Collect the chalk dust lying on the floor near the chalkboard in your classroom, or crush a small piece of chalk into dust. Add a little water to the dust to make the paste. Roll it into the shape of a piece of chalk. Let it dry. Did you recover chalk from a dust? Activity 6.2. Take some ice in a glass or plastic tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in the sun. You have now a mixture of ice and water. Now place the tumbler in a freezing mixture, ice plus common salt. Does the water become solid ice once again? Now we read activity 6.4. Boil some water in a container. Do you see the steam rising from a surface of water? Hold an inverted pan by its handle over the stream at some distance from the boiling water. Observe the inner surface of the pan. Do you see any droplet of water there? Now, activity 6.5. Question. Be careful while handling a flame. Hold a used hacksaw blade with a pair of tongs. Keep the tip of the free end of the blade on the gas stove. Wait for a few minutes. Does the color of a tip of a blade change? Remove the blade from a frame. Observe the tip once again after some time. Does it get back its original color? In activity 6.1 and 6.2 above, you saw the paper or piece of chalk underwent changes in size. In activities 6.3 and 6.4, water changes its state from solid to liquid or from gas to liquid. In activity 6.5, the hacksaw blade changed color on heating. Properties such as shape, size, color, and state or a substance are called its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substance is formed. Let us now consider the other kind of changes. 6.2 Chemical changes. A change with which you are quite familiar is the rusting of iron. If you leave a piece of iron in open for some times, it acquires a film of brownish substances. This substance is called rust, and the process is called rusting. Iron gets of parks of farmlands, iron benches kept in lawns and garden. Almost every articles of iron kept in the open get rusted. All home you must have seen shovels and spattles getting rusted when exposed to the atmosphere for sometimes. In the kitchen, a wet iron pan tawa often gets rusted in left in that state for some time. Rust is not iron, it is different from iron on which it gets disposed. Let us consider a few more changes where new substances are formed. Activity 6.6 To be demonstrated by the teacher. Question: It is dangerous to look for long at the burning magnesium ribbon. The teacher should advise children not to stare at the burning ribbon. Get a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium, clean it, tape with sandpaper, bring the tape near a candle flame, it burns with a brilliant white light. When it is completely burnt, it leaves behind a cloudy ash. Does the ash look like the magnesium ribbon? The change can be represented by the following equation: magnesium Mg plus oxygen O2 and magnesium oxide MgO. Thank you and have a great day.